So how to use a referral code on Temu in 2023. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Temu app updated to the latest version. Once that is done, you can finally go ahead and open the app. Now from the main screen of the app, tap on the U icon in the bottom of the screen right here. Once you tap there, it will take you to this page. You'll find a lot of options. Tap on the coupons and offers one, just like here. Once you tap there, wait for a couple of seconds to the page to load up. Once the page finally loads up, tap right here in the top in this text box area. You need to paste the code right there. Now once you paste the code, tap on apply right next to it and the code will be applied and you can use it like that. You can find the earlier used ones right here or tap on expire to find the expired ones. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.